This is the DAE SMB installation guide for one-phase, two-wire, one hot wire, one neutral, 120-volt breakers from three-phase, four-wire, three hot wire, one neutral. Step 1. Connect hot wire A to VA, hot wire B to VB, hot wire C to VC, neutral to VN. Step 2. Insert hot wire A through CT1A. Connect the white wire of CT1A to A+ of channel 1. Connect the black wire of CT1A to A- of channel 1. Step 3. Insert hot wire B through CT1B. Connect white wire of CT1B to B+ of channel 1. Connect the black wire of CT1B to B- of channel 1. Step 4. Insert hot wire C through CT1C. Connect the white wire of CT1C to C+ of channel 1. Connect the black wire of CT1C to C- of channel 1. To power the meter, connect the fuse to hot wire A to 120 volt on the meter. Then, connect neutral to 0 volt on the meter. Side note: 22 gauge is good enough for all wires. SMB350 uses very low power. One fuse with holder is attached for you to connect the hot wire to power the meter. VA, VB, VC just take the reference of voltage from hot wire A, B, C. They do not need fuse. Monitor 24 single-pole breakers from SMB350-8, 12 single-pole breaker from SMB350-4. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any questions, please contact us at 248-635-3708 or info@daecontrols.com, or refer to our website www.daecontrol.com.